Let's start with the most extreme case, where the officer genuinely believed he was going to die. On January 1st, 2016, Officer Quincy Smith of the Estill Police Department was called to a local convenience store about a man harassing people outside the store. At that time, Officer Smith had no idea that this day almost became his last.
Stop! Take your hands out your pocket! Take your hands out your pocket! If you don't stop, so I'm gonna tase you. I'm not playing with you. Take your hands out your pocket. Take your hands out your pocket!
Officer Smith was unaware that the suspect was armed. Suddenly, the suspect pulled a gun from his pocket and fired multiple shots, hitting Smith in the arm and neck. With no other option, the officer was forced to run for safety.
Damn! Shots fired! Dispatch, I'm in! There's Echo 7, I'm in! I'm a Tyson. Dispatch, Echo 7, I'm hit. I'm hit in my neck someplace. My arms are broken. Help me, please.
Oh, we got help on the way. The subject still there?
Touch it, tick off. Please help me, dispatch. My left arm is broken. I've been shot in the neck.
Officer Smith waited anxiously and was uncertain when backup and emergency medical services would arrive. Fortunately, a bystander who witnessed the incident came to his aid.
Man, I've called 911. I'm sure you can shoot. Is there anything I can do for you? I don't know much about any kind of CPR or anything. Yeah, I seen you after that, boy. I seen you after him. We'll stay here with you, man.
Okay, thank you, sir. Dispatch, please tell my family I love them. Thank you.
Man, where you shot at? Oh my God.
Wait, I'm shot in the chest.
It's in your neck, man. It's not a lot of blood. Okay,
yes,
so I think you might be okay. Stay with me, man.
The bystander, identified as Jay Thompson, did his best to keep Officer Smith calm while providing dispatch with more details about the officer's condition. A woman who recognized the officer also arrived at the scene.
We need help!
Don't move, man. Just stay still. Stay still. Does it make you feel any better when you lean over? Okay, just stay still. Stay with me. You got some mic on the
Quincy, you okay, baby?
Don't. Damn, this is coming. Let's try not.
Oh, God, Jesus!
Don't upset him. Okay? Let's don't.
Yeah, Quincy!
Don't upset him, please.
Quincy, you okay, baby?
He's
You
talking
okay?
to me. Let's just keep him calm. Everything's
Oh,
okay.
God, Jesus. You know who shot you, Quincy?
Keep him calm.
Quincy, you know who shot you?
They're coming, buddy. They're coming.
Who was it?
Charlie, don't do that. Leave it alone. Don't let him. Come on.
Okay, they're right here, man. They're gonna get you.
Oh, Lord, I can't tell my mom. Stay still, Quincy. Stay still. That's all. Let's stay still, Quincy.
You, man. You got family. You got the ambulance right here. You all right?
In the name of Jesus.
You all right?
You shall live. In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
You will live.
Amen.
And not die. In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Shortly afterward, the ambulance arrived, and thankfully, the officer made a full recovery. However, he mentioned that his healing process involved grueling hours of painful physical therapy and multiple surgeries to repair his broken arm. Nearly 2 years later, Smith testified against his shooter, 29-year-old Malcolm. Malcolm was found guilty of attempted murder and was sentenced to 35 years in prison. In this case, the suspect fled, but in the next incident, the suspect shot down 2 officers and continued shooting at them, bringing them close to death. On February 10, 2022, 911 dispatchers in Maple Falls, Washington, started getting numerous calls about an aggressive individual in a local subdivision. What began as a routine disturbance call quickly escalated into a situation no one could have predicted.
Hey, sir.
Hey, you want to shoot?
No, it's the sheriff's office. Why don't you come out with your hands empty and talk to us?
Kiss my
Sheriff, I'll blow your head off. Get the out of here. Tell these people to put the goddamn smoke down. Take a ride on the wild side.
Given the suspect's dangerous behavior and blatant refusal to follow instructions, the officers recognized the situation could potentially turn catastrophic. They decided to gather more information from the neighbors before taking further action.
He's shooting it up in the air. It's raining a house over on the kids. Do we have a reckless endangerment issue?
This isn't the first
Possibly.
time, and he told us if we call the cops, he was going to kill us. And the first
He
time
said
we
that
had,
today?
Today, he said, "Call the cops, and I'll kill you." And we said, "Fine, we'll go get our guns, and we're calling the cops."
To you guys,
To us.
today he yelled that to you.
Yeah, just when this happened, because we told him to stop shooting. We have
Okay.
kids outside. Told us, said, "Fine, we're calling the cops." And he said, "Do it, and I'll kill you."
And you saw him armed with a gun?
Yeah, he shot him.
Went back in the house and proceeded to egg me on and yell obscenities at me through the window.
Okay.
And I informed him that I'm a veteran. He wants to f around. I was in Afghanistan. I don't care. Come outside.
Right.
I'll dump right here. You threatened me, this household, and our family. I defend all terrorists, foreign and domestic. I don't care.
So,
That is a
and that's why you went and armed yourself.
Yeah.
Deal with him. The cavalry's coming. We're gonna deal with him. Whatever that looks like. He's not gonna be allowed to shoot guns and fuck. Right. So we're gonna take care of it.
Stuff away.
I feel you. I know what you're saying. Okay. We're gonna deal with it.
After assuring the neighbors that they would take care of the situation, they decided to confront the suspect, but they had no idea the ordeal that awaited them.
Sheriff's office, drop the gun!
Shots fired, shots fired.
I'm hit.
7-4 walk.
The suspect struck down both deputies, prompting the neighbors to take up arms to defend against the crazy person terrorizing them, while they also cared for the injured officers.
You okay? Haley, call medics! They're coming. Ben, shots fired. At the front door.
I'm alright, brother. Not alright, but yeah.
Jay, we got hit in the face. Jay and I are out of here.
Tell Hank, go to my van. In the back of the van is a med kit. Big red bag, black backpack. Please grab it. I don't have a whole lot.
Yeah. Yeah, I need aid, but we need replacements.
Yes. In the head.
We're both hit.
In the head. Both officers.
Shoot in the head.
I'm losing vision in my left eye.
Okay.
Please sit down. I got you covered, man.
Yeah, I'm just trying to bleed here.
With the extent of the officers' injuries still unknown, it's clear they desperately needed medical attention. Additional law enforcement officers continued to arrive at the scene to assist, but the shooter remained at large, leaving the situation highly unpredictable.
Door's opening. Door's open.
Door open.
Show me your hands! Hands up! Put your hands up right now! You're under arrest! Step out front! Hands in the air!
Get the FN ready. Suspect at the front door laughing at us.
You guys are really making a big scene out of nothing.
Keep your taser on him.
He has no idea what he did. Hey, look at this guy. You guys are here for me? Like, he has no idea.
Surprisingly, despite the numerous gunshots fired at his apartment, the suspect, Joel Burke Young, emerged unharmed. He was placed in handcuffs and questioned about his hostile behavior.
Scanner right over by the door there.
Where, you mean where the garage door is, where the light's on?
Yeah.
Okay. So he was standing there, and he said he was a sheriff?
Yeah.
And then what happened?
And then I said, you. That's what you do, right? Okay? It's not that I don't appreciate sheriffs. My dad was a border patrol. Okay? I appreciate all you people. That ain't the point. I'm really getting damn tired of this what's going on. You can throw me in jail if you want. It's okay. I'm not a threat to you. Because I'm sick of this, right? I got neighbors over here that are freaking crazy. I can't stand it here. I want to move somewhere else. But if you throw me in jail, I guess I'll just sit there.
Although both officers sustained wounds from the bird shots to their faces, deputies Ryan Rathbun and Jason Thompson eventually made full recoveries and returned to duty nearly a year after the horrific incident. Both were awarded the State Medal of Honor in May 2023. Joel Burke Young faces several felony charges, including 2 counts of attempted first-degree murder. He pleaded not guilty at his arraignment and is currently awaiting trial. The next officer was conducting a routine traffic stop, unaware that it could be his last.
That's good.
A Putnam County deputy on patrol pulled over a truck because the attached license plate was not assigned to the vehicle. Little did he realize the danger lurking nearby.
Whose tag's on this car?
My ex-wife.
Okay, well, why is her tag on your truck?
I send her the money every month.
It's not registered to this truck.
Don't even tell me that.
I'm telling you that. You got your license on you?
Yes, sir, I do. Give me just a second.
Anything in the car you know about guns, drugs, bombs, dope?
I got a 22 pistol right there in the seat.
Okay, well, don't grab
That's
it.
legal. I'm not retarded.
No dope or nothing in the car?
No, sir.
You don't use drugs?
No.
Have you ever?
I smoke weed, yeah.
Okay, I was gonna ask. Is there any weed in here?
A couple roaches, maybe.
Yeah, I thought I could smell some.
I ain't lying about nothing.
Okay. So when I search the car, am I gonna find anything?
No, you go right.
After getting permission from the driver, the officer proceeded to search his truck.
You're not a convicted felon or nothing, are you?
I've never been arrested in my life.
Good. Yeah, you do got these little dime bags everywhere. Well, you stand at.
At the store one time and it blew all over the place.
Stand at the front for me.
I ain't never cleaned the truck out.
Oh yeah.
I bought it from a gentleman that owned the junkyard. Stunk bad, and I just sprayed the seats down. Is all I did.
Listen, man, is there any meth in here? Just be real with me,
No,
brother.
I'm serious as a heart attack. No,
Listen, this is a meth pipe, okay?
Yeah.
There's methamphetamine in that, okay? So if you would just be honest with me, I will help you out. But if you do not be honest, man,
I'm being totally honest.
You're
I'm
not.
playing with stuff. There's no meth in there.
Is there any chance I'm going to find meth in this car?
No, there is not.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How sure are you?
Very sure.
All right, well.
I wouldn't have nothing like that in the car.
At this point, the deputy was convinced there was methamphetamine in the vehicle after finding a meth pipe. He was determined to uncover more, but he had no idea he was about to stumble upon something far more dangerous.
Yeah, it's good. Whoa! What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
You got a fire extinguisher?
A chemical pipe bomb containing a mixture of chlorine and brake fluid exploded in the face of the officer, exposing him to poisonous gas.
What the fuck was that, man? Hey, come here. Now, put your hands behind your back. I don't know what the fuck that was, man.
What the hell was that?
Fuck if I know. How the fuck you think I would know? There's a gun in there too. I have no fucking idea, dude. I was fucking leaning over the driver's seat and something fucking blew up all over me. Yeah, it's like in my fucking lungs or something.
The deputy was taken to the hospital and later released after being told that the breezy conditions diluted the poisonous gas, preventing him from having severe respiratory damage, while the truck driver, identified as Charles Legault, faced charges of possessing an explosive, aggravated battery, trafficking methamphetamine, and illegal possession of a gun silencer. He is currently held in custody without bond. The situation was so time-sensitive in the next case that the officer would have died if he had been 3 seconds late. On May 30th, 2021, in South Austin, a driver experienced a medical emergency while attempting to back his truck into a parking spot. Upon hearing that the man was still trapped inside the vehicle on fire, 2 Austin police officers rushed to the scene.
Get that extinguisher.
Hey, man. Woo. Come on, come on. Hit it, hit it. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come out. Get out. Help me get him real quick. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on out. Come on out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Pull. Come on. Turn him over. He's having a seizure. 4-4, we got one now. He's having a seizure. We need EMS in 1018. We're not gonna do anything with it. Hey, get everyone away from me.
The driver's foot got stuck on the accelerator, causing the tires to spin and the truck to catch fire. Thankfully, the heroic officers wasted no time pulling him out. They knew that even a few seconds' delay could have led to something terrible.
Hey, help me pull him over there. We'll get away from the fire. 1, 2, 3. Here. You're okay. Okay, buddy? You're okay. You're okay. You're good. You're good. You're all right. Hey, get away from it. It's not going to do nothing. That's not going to do nothing.
It's not going to help. Stay away. Over here.
Get over there.
Over there. Whew. You're okay. You're okay.
4-4, the vehicle's completely engulfed.
Emergency medical services treated the man before he was transported to Del Seaton Medical Center for further care of his injuries. Just 2 hours later, the officers responded to a shooting near the Onion Creek Greenbelt, where they saved another life by applying a tourniquet and chest seal to the wounded victim. Austin police officers Chandler Carrera and Eduardo Pineda received commendations and a Chief's coin for their bravery. Despite the recognition, they humbly downplayed their heroism, saying they were just doing their job and were in the right place at the right time. The next case involves a deadly standoff between the suspect and the police officer.
I'm hit.
On June 1st, 2023, in Nashville, Tennessee, police officers were called to a scene due to reports of an armed man breaking into cars. Upon encountering the suspect, Delama Casimir, in a rear parking lot, Casimir fled, prompting the officers to follow in pursuit.
Charles 63, come back to lot 2. Show us your hands now! We got one running. Stop! Just keep going inbound. I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop right now. I've already got you.
One officer caught up with the suspect and initially held a taser, but quickly switched to his pistol when the suspect pointed a gun over his shoulder and fired at him.
I'm hit. I'm at 562. I'm shot.
Detective Cobble was seriously wounded in the exchange, but was released from the hospital after a few days to continue his recovery at home. Casimir was later found by SWAT officers and shot by Officer Tim Brewer after refusing commands and being perceived as a threat. Casimir was transported to Vanderbilt University Medical Center, where he died from his injuries.